Hello everyone, I'm Nova Lui, RHB Bank's Head of Investors Advisory. Thank you for tuning into our Investment Insight podcast. On the developed market, US Treasury was on AAA negative watch by Fitch, a global rating agency. However, a big relief to the market when US houses finally passes bill to suspend debt ceiling just a few days before default. As I speak now, market is anticipating 95% chance that US Fed will pause its June rate hike. If this happens, this is the first pause since its recent aggressive rate hike cycle. The bigger question now is whether the rate pause is for good or is it just a temporary rate pause. Nevertheless, US equity market has done very well on year-to-date basis. For example, Nasdaq is up by close to 30%. A broader index of S&P 500 is up by 14%, while Dow Jones Industrial Average is up by only a low single digit. Meanwhile, in the East, emerging market, especially China, suffers the total opposite direction. China factory activities unexpectedly shrinks in April on year-to-date basis. All China equity indices has fallen back to its negative territory. HSCI is down by 10%, while Hang Seng Index and Shanghai Shenzhen indices are both down by a high single-digit losses. This is a huge letdown from the much anticipated China reopening story. The only positive news is that market is now anticipating further monetary easing policy by Chinese government to spur the economic growth. China had the surprise rate cut on the 7 days reverse repo rates, and market is anticipating more rate cuts in the future. Moving to our home country, Malaysia, Bank Negara Malaysia had a surprise rate hike in May. Central Bank's decision was also backed by our Prime Minister that this is necessary to defend the currently weak Malaysia ringgit. As we speak, US dollar ringgit exchange rate is at 4.62 level, which is already close to its all-time low against US dollar. There are even market speculation that ringgit may hit closer to 5 ringgit against 1 US dollar. Malaysian equity market did not take off for the year, where it trended lower on year-to-date basis. Investors are careful of any uncertainty from the upcoming 6 states election, likely to be held in July. Investors think that the election result can offer a good indication of future stability in the current ruling government. Thank you for listening to our investment podcast. Above are some key events that happened recently, which give you a good recap on the major market movers news. Do engage with RHB Relationship Manager to know more about RHB Bank's Quarter 3 market outlook and to discuss ways to rebalance your investment portfolio.